So today student we will study about the noun number. In online classes already I explained about the noun numbers. For some students those are not attending that online classes, you can see this video and understand the chapter and try to solve all the exercises. Okay, so let's start our topic. First of all we see what is the noun number. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, number is that grammatically entity that tell us the fact if the noun is just one or more than one. So this is the meaning of that noun number. Type of noun number. There are two types of noun numbers, singular number and the plural number. Singular number, if the noun is just one number, it comes under singular noun. For example, boy, king, bull, dog, pen, etc. Plural number, if the noun is more than one, it's come under plural number. For example, girls, boys, women, cows, books, etc. So now I hope you understand when we add the s in singular word, it's make a plural. Okay. So now some rules are is here. So let's see the start. We see the rules of to be followed. The words which end with s, es, sh or x are made plural by adding es in them. You can see like a bus, bus bus, buses, because this s will finish it the last letter, so we add es. You can see the example. Next, you can see the second rule, the words which end with O and there is a verbal letter before, we add S to make the word plural. Suppose this, for example, bamboo. So, bamboo is a end with O letter, and before O letter is vowel also there. So, it will become a S, bamboos. Only S we added. As per as the rule said, we will change the words in singular to plural. You can see. Third one, the words which end with O and there is a consonant letter before O, we add es. See this example, tomato. So tomato end with O letter. So before O, T is there. T is our consonant letter. So we add es. Hero, hero before also O is last letter. It is finished at O, and O before R is there. So it is our consonant letter. So we add es. I hope you understand. Fourth rule said the words which end with y, and if there is a consonant letter before y, we remove y and add ies to make the word plural. You can see example. Okay, the word which end with f or fe, we make the word plural by removing f or fe and adding ves. Like this you can see examples. Here are some examples. They are the essentials like the roof, roofs, drove, as it is this, right? These are the words we do not change it. It not apply for all the places. So to make some words plural form, we change their meaning, internal changes. So internal changes mean like a men man. So men men. So only internal changes are there. So the meaning also will be changed. There are some such a words whose singular and the plural are same, like sheep, deer, fish, police, pair, dozen, etc. Okay, as you can see here in your book, noun may be in singular or plural forms. Any noun standing for one person or one thing said to be a singular number or form. On the other hand, a noun standing for more than one person or thing is said to be plural form. Like a man was throwing stone at the bird. Second, the man were throwing stone at the birds. I hope this is not explaining, you understood. Like this book, books, table, tables. So as it is, countable nouns can be singular or plurals. How plurals are formed, you can see here. And here also second rule, for ending already I explain you, as such plural form ending es to be singular. You can see there. Now third rule, for noun ending in y plural form will replacing y with ies. Okay, you can see this rule. For noun ending in y but preceded by vowels, plural is formed by the s. You can see there. Okay, all this y before vowels are there, like a monkey. E is a vowel letter, so s we added. Play, a before y, a is there, so it is a s only. Fe also I explain you placing that one. So this one, next rule is your noun. Some nouns ending of f or fe is plurals, already explain you I. But for some nouns and f plural is formed by adding either s or ves. You can see and you learn it. Some nouns end with o plural formed by adding s to be singular. Okay. Some nouns ending o plural formed by es to singular. Like this you can see. For some nouns and in o plural is formed by s or es. You can see there. Some nouns appearing singular but they are plural, like a cattle, folk, nobility, women, like that. Mankind, gentry, slavery, and people, poultry. Okay, like this one. A few nouns from plural by changing the internal vowels of singular, like a man. Already I explained you this. Women, cues, rules, like that. In case of a few nouns, plural is formed by adding en or ren. You can see like a ox, oxen, en, child, children. Some nouns remain the same in singular as well as plural form. Some nouns are used only in plural form, like that one you have to learn this. Okay, the following nouns are spelled by spoken like plurals but actually they are singular, like in mathematics, physics, electronics, news, civics, political, jewelry, furniture, missiles, mums, rickets, like that one. Okay, so I hope you understand this chapter. You do one thing, you write this warm up in copy and do this all exercises. Okay, here you can see that one exercises. Okay, all of you read this chapter once again at home and complete your bars. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.